This is a PCB pyramid using ESP8266 and NeoPixel LEDs. This video is sponsored by PCBWAY.com, which is one of the largest PCB manufacturer from China. Upload your Gerber file to get 10 pieces of high-quality PCBs for only $5. As you can see, the build quality of the PCBs looks fantastic. I am very satisfied with their service. So, thanks PCBWAY for such professional services. Let's assemble the board. This board has 10 WS2812B addressable LEDs on it. First I apply some solder paste on the PCB. Then I place all the LEDs one by one. I will use the same hot plate soldering method as we did earlier. After that was done, I will repeat the process 3 more times. Then I will place the ESP12F and some other passive components associated with it on the back side of the PCB. I then join them with one another in this manner. Okay, so our hardware is ready. Now it's time for prepare the code. I will use the WS2812FX library like before. Check out my previous video to know more about it. Then I will define the number of LEDs, LED pin, and as I have used the Blink application for this project, so the Blink authentication code. And Wi-Fi credentials of course. Then I upload the code and jump into the Blink IoT platform. Here I have created a new project, and set the device type to ESP8266. I have added a ZERGBA widget to select the color, 2 virtual slider to change the speed of the effects and the LED brightness, a push button for toggling between different modes and a number input widget, which I will use for some of my custom defined animations. And set their values and virtual pins accordingly. And here you can see it, in action.